So, meron tayong gagawin.
We're gonna eat.
Hindi na pala natin kakating na bonbon. So,
Revis ka. And you're gonna put and I'm gonna put some butter.
ito na lang.
This one the butter.
So, yan guys. Makikita nyo gagawin namin to. So, buksan lang namin to.
And I'm gonna serving spoon. Go open it. How much? It's a 4. It's a 4. Oh, we got the butter.
So, guys.
I eat this before, guys. I eat this.
Ready na ba kayo?
Not, sabihin mo.
So, tigis na tayong ganito.
Yeah. I'm gonna...
Huwag mo puputulin! Huwag mo puputulin.
But I want.
Tig dalawa tayong ganyan, no?
Yeah, I want this. And please.
Kasi napalik sa'yo.
Boy, that's mine. Okay, it's okay.
Madali kasi eh.
Ito ay madali.
Sige na nga, tig dalawa na lang. Ay, wow!
You're so karma na.
Okay lang yan, guys.
It's so...
So, makikita nyo na lang po yung result.
Look at this guy. This is the guy. This
Sa akin. Yung sa akin nga, yun yung lagyan ng top. So, let's eat and let's rate.
1, 2, 3, go.
Hindi pa natin taste yung butter. So, go.
Yummy. Tastes like good. For you.
Like go.
It tastes like yummy.
Anong rate mo sa kanya?
I'm gonna, 9/10.
Mga 5/10, gano'n.
Well, she one bite this. Or the one like this.
Yan. English ka. Hindi ka naman marunong. So, papakita na lang namin yung resulta ng marami namin.
Look at you do.
Ano siya, guys. So, kainin natin to. So, ang ganda ng video. Mula ko naman. So, wait lang guys. Boyi! So, wait lang.
Kain na tayo.